Welcome back to the What to Do channel. Today I am cleaning a bunch of carburetors, and I just figured I would do a quick tip on if you have a Red Max, or actually some other types of brands may have the same screw adjustment also, but if you're giving your trimmer or your blower some throttle and it's bogging down or it's dying on you, this might actually help you. You can see I got my little carburetor repair station going here, and these are actually all Red Max carburetors, but I'm taking them apart, and I'm going to do a video on that next, on taking these apart and cleaning them and stuff. But a lot of these were taken off because these machines were bogging down, dying, and they just figured, oh, we need a new carburetor, and they would throw a new carburetor in, and these were all kind of thrown in a junk pile by the last mechanic. So I'm kind of taking over this garage here, and I found all these carburetors, and what will save you money instead of buying all of these carburetors all the time is, it's real simple. So here's your carburetor here, and this is typically how it sits on your machine, right? And your air filter would be in the front here. If you look around to the side where your fuel lines are coming out, now some of these may or may not have this, but inside of that hole right there, and it's probably going to be damn near impossible to zoom in there, but we're going to try it anyway. Let me prop this up on this carburetor. Turn the light on. Let's see what we can see there. There it is. There's a little tiny screw in there. All right, now some of these may have a little black plug in there. It may be sealed up. What you can do is take a little tiny screwdriver from like an eyeglass kit or something. If yours does have a plug in there, just heat this up, get it really hot, and you can stick the screwdriver down into the plug, then let it cool a little bit, and once it cools, then you could probably pull that plug right out of there, or get a really tiny drill bit, but do not drill down too far, because once you score that head in there, then you're really screwed. You're never going to adjust it. Anyway, getting on to the point. So while your motor is running, if you can keep it running, you want to take this little flathead here, and you want to stick it in there and turn it counterclockwise while it's running, and you'll actually hear the motor. All right, you'll be able to tune it better that way. Do it in small turns. All right, nothing too crazy. Usually about 1/8 of an inch turn would make a huge difference on these. But that's just a quick tip I wanted to give you. If yours is running rough or bogging down when you give it gas or whatever, try adjusting that screw if you can, and see if that helps you out at all, rather than running out and buying all these carburetors like the last mechanic did here. That's basically it. That's my quick service tip of the day, and hopefully this helps you out. And if it did, please, I'm trying to get out of this sunlight here. Jesus. There we go. If it did, hit subscribe below. Give me a like. I'm doing these videos daily. I love helping you guys, and I appreciate all the comments and everybody reaching out to me with their problems, and actually giving me a lot of tips too, because you know, you learn something new every day. Nobody's a master, even though they think they are. All right, guys, I will see you next time.